In this video, I'll show you how to descale your Nespresso VertuoPlus, so let's get started. If you don't have the red and green lights flashing telling you that it's time to descale, you'll need to enter descale mode manually, like me. First, eject any used capsules and turn off the machine by pressing the lever for 3 seconds. Then remove the cup support and empty the capsule container. Place a container or a jug that can hold at least 27 ounces under the coffee spout. Fill the tank with at least 17 ounces of water. I used 20 ounces. And pour in 1 unit of Nespresso Descaling liquid. These come in a pack of 2 and I'll leave links in my description. Make sure the machine is plugged in but turned off. Then to enter descale mode, push the button and lever down for 3 seconds. First, you should see a steady orange light indicating you're in the functions menu. Now press and release the lever once to enter descale mode. The orange light will begin to blink. Then press the button once to begin descaling. The solution will flow through the machine in short bursts, stopping and starting until all the solution has been used up. It took just over 8 minutes. Once the descaling cycle is done, if there is any solution left in the tank, empty it out and thoroughly wash and rinse the water tank. Throw out the dirty water. Fill up the water tank with fresh water for a rinsing cycle. Be sure to put your empty bowl or jug under the spout. Press the button to begin rinsing. The rinse cycle will stop automatically or when the tank is empty. The rinse cycle also took about 8 minutes for a full tank of water. Once the rinse cycle is complete, you can exit out of descale mode. Hold down the button and lever for 3 seconds until the light turns green. Let the machine rest for 10 minutes before brewing your next cup of coffee. I hope you found this video useful. Please do let me know in the comments if it helped at all. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please don't forget to give this video a like, and if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing, and I hope to catch you in my next video.